Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some Topps Chrome Platinum. Hey guys, got a few blaster boxes of some Platinum 2022 with 3 exclusive Prism Refractor cards per box. These are some beautiful cards. I love them. I love the looks of them. I just love Chrome. You have some old timers in here, kind of like Donruss with the old timers. And hopefully we could pull some, maybe an auto, some nice color. You never know. It's all about being lucky. And we have 8 packs. Let's open up pack number 1. Sure you guys saw this before. This is not new. It's maybe a week or 2 old. I found them about, I don't know, 5 days ago. I think it was actually Walmart. Alright. Upside down, backwards, some lines in the cards. Beautiful. Alright, our first one is a Luis Gil, and this is a rookie card, and it is a blue beauty. Alrighty. Luis Gil. Wilson Contreras. If you guys have not seen the backs of these, the cards are all backwards, upside down, and they do that on purpose, I think. And this one's numbered, though, to 199. Ooh, Babe Ruth, baby. 64 of 199. Ooh, some blue speckle there. That is a beauty. I have a nice Babe Ruth collection, too. And that will fit just fine in there. Teoscar Hernandez and Miguel Tejada. I have a Babe Ruth card that was numbered to 10, and it was like 1 out of 40,000 packs. Pretty sweet. Here we go. We have a Hoy Park rookie. Alrighty. A nice, sweet David Ortiz, and this is a refractor. Love some Ortiz. Albert Pujols, another nice one there, and a J.D. Martinez. Pretty sweet. Alrighty, next pack we have a Warren Spahn. Nice. Glenn Otto rookie. Lars Nootbaar rookie. And a Paul Goldschmidt. We have a Yastrzemski. Nice. Whitey Ford. Casey Mize. Joe Adele. And a Gavin Sheets' pants. With the color. Alrighty, Josh Donaldson, George Kell, Bill Buckner, and a Josh Lowe rookie. Nice Don Mattingly, sweet one there. Reese Hoskins, JT Realmuto, and a Ted Simmons. Nice Buster Posey. Jacob deGrom, guy's always hurt. Brandon Belt, that looks like a refractor. And an awesome Johnny Bench. And our last pack, we have another Babe Ruth. Sweet. This one is not numbered, but it is a beauty. And look at that. Awesome. We have a Jason Hayward. Isaiah Falefa. Sounds like a, some kind of food. Pavin Smith. And our last card is Edgar Renteria. I cannot pronounce his last name. But we got some Ruths, baby. Sweet. Alright, guys. I want to thank you guys for hanging out for these few minutes. You guys have a great night. Until next time.